Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how to change the data source from one to another. So in project, when we are working in the project, we see that our database, we are migrating from, let's say, Oracle to SQL Server or SQL Server to Hadoop, whatever is the source and new data source. So if we have created any dashboard connecting to, let's say, Oracle, and they are now migrating from Oracle to SQL Server, so our dashboard, we have to point it to the new data source or new database. Okay, so let's understand how we can change the data source in Tableau. So here you will see I have created two sheets, first and second, and both are connected to the SQL Server. So if you see that this blue tick represent the data source that we are using here. So in this sheet, we are using the SQL Server. When we go to the second sheet, here also we are using the SQL Server. Now we have to point both sheets to the Oracle. So first step, what we have to do is we have to check the number of columns. So if you see in the SQL Server, these are the columns available. Okay, so all the columns, whatever we are using from this data source, should be available into the next new data source. So if you just see SQL Server, we have the date, DB name, select DS, status, table name, total record count, and some measures. First thing, forget about the calculative field. That will automatically add into the new data source. So from the SQL Server, we are just getting the columns or the dimension. These are the dimension and measures. And some columns we have created in at Tableau end. Those are nothing but a calculative field. So when first we have to check the columns, whatever we have into the SQL Server, the same name or same data type should be, those columns should be available into the Oracle. So when I click to the new data source, here you will see some icon is coming. This icon is representing the same column is available into the Oracle. And wherever we are not getting the icon, that means this column is not available into the SQL Server. So load date, DB name is job name is not available into the SQL Server. Let's click it. If you just see date is available here, but date column is not available into the Oracle data source. Might be we have renamed the date column in SQL Server connection. So just to check what the column name in the data source, just right click on that, describe. You will see the exact date column name that is coming from the data source. The column name is load date, but we have renamed it to the date in Tableau. So in Oracle also load date is coming. So we have to keep the same name. So what we will do, we will just copy this name and paste it into the new data source. Now you will see this icon is coming. Okay, let's do the same for job name. So we have something called name. When we describe it, we will see the exact name that is coming from the data source. So from data source, we are getting the job name. So we will copy this name and rename job name to this name. Now, if you see all the dimensions is coming with this icon. Okay, but might be some measures are not coming. So that also we have to check. And we have to check the data type as well. Data type should also be same that what we have into the existing data source. Otherwise, it might throw some error. Okay. Once we rename all the column, once we check these all the rules, then right click on the existing data source, replace this, select this option, replace data source. And here you have to select the current and replacement. So it's automatically coming because we just have only two data source here. Click OK. When you click OK, it automatically start pointing to the new data source. So if you see, first sheet is now connected to the Oracle and there is no error. So whatever columns we are using the same column name is available into the Oracle. Now let's click on the second sheet. Here also we can see it is again start pointing to the Oracle data source without throwing any error. So this is the way we can change the data source in Tableau. Hope you like it. Thank you.